Hey guys, it's Atul. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to record your YouTube videos with Roblox Studio. Like, for example, in the distant past, there was a castle called the Great Robloxian Castle. Yeah, something like that. Without any overlays, like this stuff here, and the thing being wrong, then you've come to the right video. So let's get started. Alright, so first you open up OBS Studio, and if you don't already, sources, the source should be, you should have a game source, just name it whatever you want. And you click the eye, and you can make it mode capture any full screen application, but then you have to do F11 on the Roblox Studio. See, like that, and then it will capture that. So you click the game tag, the game, and it's capturing that. Yeah, but you see the, if I do that, it's not in the right format. It's capturing. It's not capturing like the workspace and everything. But like that's good, except it's not in the right format. You see. So to change that, I'll show you how. So in order to change that, you click on this little iPad iPhone thing, and then I'm already set, but you might be on something else. So you should be on desktop HD 1080p. You click that, and then it might be like this, which is really bad, but if you look into OBS, then it will be really good. So you change it to fit to window, and then that's easy. And then just click the eye icon, then open Roblox Studio, and it should work. So yeah, that's basically it. It's really simple, but a lot of people fail to understand. So that's why I'm here. It's really simple fix. You don't have to change the borders and everything, the aspect ratio. You can just do it right here. It's really simple. Also, if you want to make it like a movie style, you can go to the thing, instead of going to desktop, go to phone, and you can do like iPhone X, iPhone XR. Those are the recommended ones. I do iPhone X. And if you do it back, and if you click the eye again and go back, you'll see it's like it's really good. It's like movie trailers. Like I could do but then I'll have to remove this. I still don't know how, so if anyone knows how, please leave a comment. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, that's all for the vid. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to give a big fat thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. That would help me out a lot. So thank you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.